Hey guys, so we are here at this old 1700s home site, and I've got my dad with me. He is visiting from the west coast. I don't know if you can see him out there digging, but he's new to metal detecting, so we're out here and he's going to pick up some mad skills. Next weekend we're going to a seated hunt in South Carolina, so I'll post a video on that when it happens, but right now we're just going to come out here and get used to the detector and find some cool relics. All right, so this is an 82 on the Manticore. In the plug. I hope it's a coin. Come on, coin. There's something. What is that? Oh, it's a coin. It's a penny. Come on, be a wheat penny. I think that's a wheat penny. That is a wheat penny. Awesome. 1953. Sweet. All right. Cool, I'll take it. On to the next. All right, so this is a 91. And it's supposed to be in the plug, so... Oh, there we go, right there. I see. Oh, dang it. I thought that was the edge of a coin. Doggone it. I think that's part of a car. Like for a handle or something that rotates. Son of a gun, I saw that silver just shining, sticking out like the edge of a coin. And that is definitely it. Oh well, that was close. On to the next. So this is a 27 on the Manticore. Going around these trees on this old home site, and there's been a lot of coins around the trees. So also a lot of aluminum and junk, so we'll see. Where'd we go? It was just in the plug. What in the heck? I know it was in the plug. There we go. That's a coin. Oh, that's a nickel. Let's see. It's got some good patina on it, but that's going to be modern. I think that says 1983. So, all right, we'll keep going. All right, 51 on the Manticore. Looks like something's right here in our plug. Oh, what's that? What is this? I have no clue. It's metal of some kind, obviously. That was stupid. But here, let me see. We got something else here in the hole. Oh, that's cool. That is a tiny little buckle. What is that from? That's very fragile. Here, if you can see. Still has a little thing that turns in the middle, but I don't know what that would be from, but it's pretty old, got some cool looking patina. I'll have to look more into that and see what it is. Alright, on to the next. So I just dug this up. It was right just under the surface. It was a really high tone in the 90s on the Manticore. But look at that. It's a duck, but you could tell that it was attached to the top of something. It could be screwed in and attached to the top. So I have no clue what that would be. I don't think the top of a cane. That's really cool. Just right under the surface. All right, we'll keep going. So it turns out that this actually is a cane topper. It's brass. You can see how the duck is canted sideways. It fits your hand perfectly if you're walking around with a cane. So this is a really cool relic. Don't know the age. I know the home site that I found it on dates back to 1700s all the way up to the early 1900s. So anywhere in that time frame, I don't really know, but it's brass. It's got really cool patina on it. So it's been in the ground for quite a while. So just a really cool find, and I'm happy with it.